Okay, in this video I'll be showing how to connect to the RTK network on the DJI AGRAS drone. So we're going to go first, enter the drone, then we'll come over here to settings and we'll go down to RTK. Up here on the top right, we'll see we have three options. The first is none. This is for flying off GPS. Second, we have DRTK to mobile station. This is if you've gone out and purchased a DJI actual mobile station for RTK. The third option, the one I like to use, is a Custom Network RTK. So this allows us to have precision flying while saving some money and not having to go buy a base station. There are paid Custom Network RTKs, but you'll find there's a good chance your state actually offers RTK for free. We found in both Utah and Oregon, we have that service available to us. There's 5 pieces of information we're going to need from our RTK provider. The first is the N-trip host. It's going to be an IP address where our RTK or N-trip is hosted. Second, we need our port. Typically, the provider will provide a list of ports based off location we can connect to. Then we'll need our username and our password, which will also be provided to us from our state or from our paid provider. Finally, we'll need a mount point. What is interesting about this particular mount point found in Oregon is that IMAX GNSS actually is an algorithm that allows us to connect to the closest mount point automatically, which is really nice. Quick troubleshooting. Sometimes I'll get a 404 error on this. What I've found actually helps is just re-entering the password and then clicking OK to connect again. That seems to run through everything again and fix most problems. So that's how to connect to a Custom Network RTK. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below and we'll answer those.